Okay, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you like the area you live in?
Yes, I do like the area where I live. It's a beautiful society, comprises of a little park and along with a mosque and a small dispensary.
So overall your answer is good, but because of it means you're having issues with fluency. So if you practice these topics, you will be fine. And at the end, you're missing conclusion. So you need to come up with one sentence conclusion as well. Okay, what do you like the most in your locality?
In my locality, there are lots of shops and other grocery stores. So everything is available easily. So to answer your question, it is beautiful and you can say a helpful place to live.
Okay, but my question was, what do you like the most? So this is what I like a lot, that I can buy anything anytime. So this accessibility is what I like, something like that. Okay, let's go on. Would you like to shift to a new location in the future?
Yes, definitely. I would like to shift on another place if I get a chance. But I prefer to live on such place that is quite a rushy place where you can find everything near to your home.
Okay, where did you spend your childhood?
Sorry?
Where did you spend your childhood?
Okay, I spent my childhood at my mostly with my parents at my home.
Okay.
I'll usually all day play with my siblings and go to school with my.
The question is location. Where did you spend your childhood? I spent my childhood in a small town which is very close to Lahore city, and that is my paternal city as well, and I was very comfortable in that area because in something like that. Focus area, not activities, because question is where means location. Okay, so try to be familiar with all these topics, and for each answer at least 5-6 sentences and no ers and ahs, right? Yeah, so that's what I say. Answers should be readily available. Readily available means I ask a question and you know what to answer, and that will only be possible if you practice all these topics. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.